Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today we are going to do an unboxing and we're going to check out what the hype is all about for the Woozoo fan. Let's check it out. Let's have a quick look at the outside of the box. Right on the front, we can see the fan comes with a 5-year warranty. That's always a good thing. It's powerful yet quiet, and there's a remote control. Very cool. It says the name came from the Japanese word for vortex, Woozoo, and this multi-directional fan has 5 speeds and rotates horizontally and vertically. Let's get this thing out of the box and have a look. I also noticed on the box that it said at maximum power, it can offer cooling to 353 square feet. So that's a good size room. All right, here we go. We've got it out of the box and it's already fully assembled. It looks like it just needs to be plugged in. And I don't see the remote control anywhere. Hang on. Here it is. It's right in the bag. Okay, so this was really light, this remote control. I could have easily thrown this out. So be sure to check that bag before you toss that bag out. The little gold button here is the power button. And right over here on the far left, you're going to see the 1, 2, and the 4. That's actually a timer. So you can choose, it can be on for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours, or one more time and it just stays on. And this adjusts the power of the fan. And this is a very interesting button here. It's called Select Natural Breeze Pattern. It replicates breeze patterns by changing the strength of the airflow. This button also has another function. You press and hold the breeze button down for 2 seconds to turn off all the LED lights. So if you have this fan in a bedroom or something like that and you don't want any lights on, you just hold it down for 2 seconds and it turns off all the lights. The button on the end over here is the Select Oscillation button. It'll oscillate both horizontally and vertically. I can see why people are talking about this fan. It's sleek and minimalistic. I really love the globe shape. It caught my eye at our local Costco. They actually had it plugged in and operational, and that's what drew me to buy it. I loved the oscillation both horizontally and vertically. It just looks so cool. I use fans in my house year round. Yes, even in the winter. It improves air circulation. It can even help you save money on utility bills. It moves cool air or warm air around your house. Like I said, I bought this one at Costco, and there was a lot of chatter about this fan on one of the Costco Facebook sites. People were going crazy buying them. If you don't have a Costco near you, I'll add a link below in the description where you can order one. So let's have a look at the little remote control. Just pull the plastic tab out of the bottom to allow the battery to make contact with the unit. Down here at the bottom are the buttons for oscillation, both horizontal and vertical. Here's the button for fan speed and the timer buttons. Really everything that is on the unit's control panel is on this remote as well, including the ability to turn off the LED lights. If you flip the remote over, you can see there's a little trap door in case you need to change out the battery. It's a button cell battery. It's a CR 2025 lithium cell. If we turn the fan around, you can see that there's a small built-in handle at the top for picking up the fan. So the instruction manual also shows you how to keep the Woozoo clean internally. Allowing the fan to become dusty can cause it to malfunction over time. I'm super happy with my purchase. This fan will get a lot of use here in my studio. It's very powerful but still very quiet. So be sure to check out the links below if you're interested in getting your own Woozoo. Thank you so much for watching Tinagirl Life, and I'll see you again soon.